Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new background. I finally changed my background, you guys. For the longest time, I was like, should I do it? Should I not do it? But I mean, it's fall vibes. I couldn't help myself. So if you guys are new, hi, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes here on YouTube. And if you're not, welcome back to my canal. As you can see by the title and by my makeup look, today's video is going to be a review slash first impressions on a brand that many of you might be like, what, who, when, where, how? That's exactly what I first thought when I heard of this brand. This brand is the brand called Kaleidos makeup, and I want to say that it's an indie brand. I feel like it's pretty new. I really haven't heard many people talk about it. I follow them on Instagram, and I was lucky enough to receive these in PR. They just reached out to me a few weeks ago, and they asked me if I was down to try their eyeshadow palettes. Funny thing is that I had already seen them on Instagram. I started following them before they reached out to me, and when they reached out to me and I put two and two together, I'm like, oh my god, this is the same brand that I discovered that I've been like eyeing. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna give you my raw an honest opinion on these palettes. Are they good? Are they worth it? Are they pigmented? Do they blend nice? All the juicy stuff. And yeah, I think that is everything that I need to say. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. Are you guys ready? I am super excited to swatch these for you guys and mainly test them out on the eyes because the eyes is where it's at. I got two PR boxes from them. This is the Futurism collection. Now this one came, I don't even know, like I mixed them all up. The other one is also super fun. I just love the PR box. It's really pretty. So this is what the other box looks like, and this one contained 3 palettes inside. This is a Chinese American owned brand, and honestly I had never really heard of them until I had seen them on Instagram. I think it was either somebody reposted them or somebody was swatching their makeup. I don't remember, but I just remember coming across their brand and I followed them because it just looked so creamy and like pigmented, and I was like, whoa, this brand looks like they know what they're doing. So when I got an email from them that they wanted to send me makeup, I was like, oh my god, I've been following your brand and I've been actually eyeing it. So I pulled up their website in case you guys are wondering, like, who is this brand? Where are they coming from? I think their motto is all about being eccentric and authentic and bringing like more to the makeup game and just being out of the box. So according to their website, these palettes retail for only $24, which is really affordable. If you think about it, NYX Cosmetics now is popping out some eyeshadow palettes that are like $32, $35, and they are drugstore, so they're getting pretty pricey. And for these being $25, that's not bad. The packaging just feels so luxurious. It's super heavy. It is magnetic. Look, magnetic, so it just closes like that. This one is the Futurism 2 Cyber Bronze palette, which is just, oh my god. Like, look at these colors. They just look so rich, so creamy, so pigmented. This one as well. Look at that black. That is as dark as my soul, and I am here for it. It is pitch black, and then you get these gorgeous green colors, which, hello, fall, and then like this really pretty mustard shade. This next one has to be one of like my favorites just by looking at it. It just looks so like aesthetically pleasing. This is the Futurism, I think this is a volume 2. This is the Electro Turquoise palette. Oh my god, look at that orange, that turquoise, that like silver icy shade will look so pretty on the inner corners. Oh my god, I am just dying to dig into these palettes. So let's move on to the next one. This one, you guys are gonna gag, okay? Literally, I'm gagging. This is the Futurism, the VR Neon. That tells you everything. If you are a bright colored person, if you love colorful palettes, girl, look at this. Oh my god. The neon green, the yellow, the orange, the red, the hot pink. These just look juicy. Oh my god. Like, I want to put all these palettes on my eyes right now. Okay, the last one that I have here is the Futurism 3 Astral Pink. And I mean, of course, obviously the name says it all. This one is stunning. Oh my god. Like, I mean, all of these look stunning. We have the black once again, except this time it has a little bit more sparkles to them. Girl, I don't even know which palette to choose because I just want to use them all. Okay, let's start by packing on a color on the crease, of course. Again, I'm taking this palette. This is the Astral Pink, and I just lost all my little cards and now I don't know which one belongs to which. So we're just going to take this shade right here, which is a gorgeous berry, and we're going to lay it down and let's see if the pigment is good on this. I knew it. I knew it. Holy pigment. Wow. This has some kick to it, you guys. I'm not even joking. These literally feel like pressed pigments. Now these do have quite a bit of like fallout or like kick up on the palette, but that's because there is so much pigment to them. So I'm just going to blend this into the crease a little bit more. I'm not going to go into too much detail on the look because it's more of a review slash first impressions trying out this brand. I am going to take this shade right here, which is a mauve shade, and we're just going to throw that into the crease just to help us blend. These colors are just so pigmented. Like I said, there is quite a bit of kick up, but I just don't mind it because the colors are just so stunning. And we're just going to blend this again right here just to help us diffuse that purple that we just laid down. Wow, these colors are so silky, you guys. And I just can't get over the fact that these are only 25 bucks. If you ask me, that's pretty affordable. There's some drugstore palettes that are definitely getting close to that price point. And I'm not saying that those drugstore palettes are not worth the price point, but it's like if you can get a bomb ass eyeshadow for $25, like hello. So I'm actually going to take a little bit of the black because I really want to make this nice and smoky. I'm only going to take a little bit of it at a time. I'm going back into my little Morphe M507. And I'm just going to clean it off just a little bit. And I'm only going to pick up a tiny bit because I can already tell this is pigmented. And we're going to lay it down here. Yep, just as I expected. I'm going to go back to my Morphe M514. I don't have any product. I'm just going to blend the edges of the black. Just like that. Going back into the palette, I'm going to take this really pretty like violet shade or like a berry shade, and we're just going to lay that all over the lid. And I'm not going to wet my brush because I really want to see how good these eyeshadows are without a wet brush. Oh my god, just as expected. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god, I am gagging. Oh my god, I am blown away, you guys. Wow. Wow. So I think I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eyes off camera because, I mean, you guys already got my like raw impression on the palettes. I am going to come back and use this shadow for my inner corner highlight. And for the lower lash line, if you guys are wondering what I'm going to do, I'm literally just going to follow the same steps using the purples on this palette and a little bit of the black. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of black eyeliner on the waterline. Not sure yet, but I will be back in just 1 second to finish this bomb look. Really quickly, I am going to add my inner corner highlight. My face is beat to the gods, honey. I'm going to take this shade, which is like a beautiful crystal white silver shade, and I'm just going to pop it in here. My heart is content. I can seriously die peacefully now. Makeup look is done. Oh my gosh. I am head over heels. Oh, the look, the palette, everything. If you guys are wondering what lashes I'm wearing, I am wearing the Style Miami. This is by the brand MB Lashes. MB Lashes is actually like a monthly subscription of lashes. I know, I had never heard of such a thing, but when they reached out to me and they sent me their lashes, I was like, oh my god, like me, I'm such a lash wearer that for me this is amazing. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys the lashes that I am wearing. Again, Style Miami. They're so pretty and fluffy. If you guys are interested, I do have a link in the description box down below. And then for my lips, I used the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This is an eyeliner, but you can use it as a lip liner as well. This is in the shade Limitless Brown, and I just outlined my lips. And then I went in with the Makeup Revolution stripped lip pencil, which is this really pretty like soft pink. And then on the center, to kind of like bring the mauviness in, I took the Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick in the shade Petal Poison. This is from Wet n Wild, and it is their Rebel Rose collection. So yeah, you guys, that is the end of this video. This Chinese American owned brand is absolutely amazing, and I believe they are based in China. And I was reading in their description that even though they're based in China, they are still cruelty free. Again, if you guys are interested in more information, I will have their website linked down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my videos. I upload every Monday, Makeup Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I hope you guys, again, enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye!